make it our day more productive, this morning, with that, kala ko ako yung binubusinahan mo eh. This morning, with that pouring rain, we took our INR this morning. Then after that, we went straight to Tim Hortons to read our books for this month. And to make it more productive day, I guess it's time for our walk. We also need to do our walk. So let's come walk with me, and maybe we'll get our lotto ticket. Since it's 60 million draw tonight. Hope we got lucky today. Well, our gas for today is 164.6 for Shell gasoline station. But Esso, for Esso it's 157 for regular gas. Of course, we're here taking our rest. Of course, we need to rest from walking. We're halfway through. I hope it doesn't rain until we go home. Yep. Past 15. Of course, we are approaching Bramley and Peter Robertson, so we're off to our next stop. We're not gonna forget getting our ticket for tonight, our winning lotto ticket. $60 million for Lotto Max and 26 million for 649.